everyone, it's Nancy Wethington, and I'm here to share my newest button form book. It is so fun to do. It's actually a folio, and it's done with 49 in Market, Curator's Meadow. And so much fun and so many flips, and you know that's right up my alley. So first of all, I wanted to show you how I tied this. Because I do have this in directions, but it's kind of a weird little tie that I did. So in your kit, you're going to get a long piece of twine. And I folded the twine in half. Okay? And in the gate, I punched a hole with a crocodile, and I'm going to feed the string from inside to outside. Wrap the string around the book, and then feed the button that's on the other end of the string through the loop, and you can kind of pull it to tighten it, and then you have this little hanging, oh, okay, well, wouldn't you know, there we go. You have this little hanging button, and you can provide your own buttons. I just happen to have this one, but that way, if your book gets way too thick with pictures, this will accommodate any width that you end up with on your book. So let me just open this up, and we'll go through the book. So this is the cover. All 49 in Market, with the exception of these little flowers, and I just punched some little flowers with just a little 4 petal flower punch, which you can do on craft paper that's included with your kit, and then some ephemera from the ephemera kit that comes with the 49 in Market mini book. This is actually, I am really saying this wrong, and I apologize. I designed this for the Button Farm Club. The book I designed with Gina, who owns Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts, and ended up then decorating it with the 49 in Market Curator's Memo. So this is available on the Button Farm Club. So we'll open it up. So you have just a half page here as a closure, and then a whole page, and these images on this 49 in Market, look at those mushrooms, they almost look real. They're so pretty. So this has, like I said, a lot of pockets and flips to it. So it's going to be a little precarious trying to show this to you all at once, but I'm going to try. So this first pocket is on the back of the cover, the right side cover page, and I just made a pocket out of that. And on a lot of this stuff, as you can see, I just used some of the fronts of paper pads or whatever, because I can't stand to throw any of this away. And another image with ephemera. And then this page is the cover on the left side. So we open it up, and you get this nice long booklet folio. So this is a belly band, and I've used a piece of the ephemera to use as a frame. I'll throw a picture back there. And let me get that tucked in, and then you know, I like to do these little ends, this stopper, so these don't fall through your page. So I've given directions on how that's done. And then the center, I've created a little flip and pockets with things tucked in. I use this window image as a pocket. And then another pocket I made with ephemera that's included in the kit. And then the closure is from a piece of their paper with one of the butterflies that I added. And I just left part of that butterfly not glued and the other half glued down so I could just tuck this behind the butterfly as the closure. Okay, so we're going to start to open this, so buckle up. So I'm opening the first portion down, and the top is going to be a pocket with a booklet, just a very simple craft booklet. A tuck behind here, and then this piece opens to the left with a really pretty frame and ephemera from the 49 and Market. And then I've made 2 tags that flip up, so you can have a picture here and some journaling on this one. And then another flip to this side. So this is good for a large picture, and then journaling here with some really cool paper cuts and a tuck behind. So this closes, and next we're going to open the top. So this one flips up, and on the back page I've done a waterfall flip with another place for a large photo, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a second because I've gotten some questions online about how to do a waterfall, and they're really easy. There's just one little tiny trick to it, and that's it. And then this flip opens to the right, and another just really plain little booklet. You can use it for journaling or photos. Another tuck behind here. And then another tuck behind on this page. And on this one, I just fussy cut a little frame from one of the papers. And another journaling spot or photo mat. So to me, this is part, I feel like it anyway, like it's part mini book and part junk journal, but I just adore doing these. So I hope you like it. I'll be teaching this at the K.I.S.S crop in Lebanon, Illinois. That's what, 425 or 450 people? I won't teach all those people. I would think I would just freak out if I had to, but I will be teaching classes there, and this is one of the classes. So I hope you enjoy it, but stay tuned because the next portion is going to show you how to do the waterfalls. So let me switch over. And I've used different colors of paper. I'm hoping it'll be easier to see. So whatever size you want to make your waterfall, doesn't really matter. It's all the same. I use a 1/2 inch seam. And I'm doing each of these in a different color so you can see how they line up. Whoop. 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. Okay, so you score 1/2 inch on each one. And then again, I'm using, a different color so you can see this. Obviously, this has nothing to do with the book, but wherever you want to start, you always, and I don't know if you can tell this, when you score, you're going to have what's called a valley fold and a mountain fold. A valley fold, the paper is pushed in, and the mountain fold, the paper is pushed out. So when you fold, you always want to fold towards the mountain. It doesn't make any sense to me, but it works. So I'm just saying, when you want to do that. Now, you're going to push the first paper down. You're going to glue on the fold and then add the first paper wherever you want it on your page. That's going to be your first one. Let me grab some glue real quick. I forgot it. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm back. with glue. Now I forget the most important part. It has to be glued down. Alright, so glue here, and then I'm going to glue it. Wherever I want it on my page, it doesn't matter. Most of the time I start with it closer to the top, but since this is just a demo, then you're going to flip that one up. And here's where you're going to start your second one. So again, I'm going to fold this towards the mountain. I'm going to put glue here. And I'm going to take that fold and line it up with the bottom of the first piece, like so. Alright, so now I have my first piece and second piece, and please don't look at my cuts. Alright, so now I'm going to flip this up. I have another piece I'm going to fold towards the mountain. I'm going to glue on my seam. Kind of. Sorry. Folding this back, I want the fold to match the bottom. Pressing it down, and there's my waterfall. Okay? So I can keep going really down this whole page if I wanted to, but that's the way you do a waterfall. Super, super, super simple, and I'll post it on my YouTube. Thank you. See you later. Bye.